Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide your current city in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by typing facebook.com into your web browser and pressing Enter. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Overview tab, look for the icon next to the three dots icon next to your current city. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Only Me. This ensures that only you can see your current city on your profile. Step 6. Once you've selected Only Me, click Done to save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your current city in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.